Hi first graders, this is Miss Wong here. We're going to do another read aloud, and this time is one of our favorite types of books, Piggie and Elephant. We do love our Piggie and Elephant books. This one is called There is a Bird on Your Head. And every time I read Piggie and Elephant books, it is a great way for me to practice reading with expression. So today, I'm going to try my best to do my best Piggie and best Elephant voices. Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? Nope. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. Oh, they are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. There is a bird on your head. So, what is Mo Willems trying to teach us in this book? Is he trying to teach us to go with the flow, be kind, be patient? Maybe he's teaching us to ask politely? I want you to think about that because there are so many reasons why he wrote this book for us. I'll read the next one next time. First graders, I'll see you later.